Okay. Go ahead and open it up. What's in there, Van?
Books.
Yeah.
There's just books in here.
What kind of books? Open it up. Let's see.
That.
Oh, I see a lot of them. Wow.
What's this?
I don't know. Let's see. What is that? Well, let me see. I'll tell you what it is.
A Thomas the Train book. This.
What's that?
You.
Oh, The Night Before Christmas. Oh, A Christmas Carol. And, oh, that looks like a book for Mommy.
Oh, God.
What are those holding?
They're Thomas books.
Awesome. What else did you find, Van?
There are 2 of them.
2 of them?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I bet that's another book for Mommy. Oh, that is a heavy book, right?
Yeah.
Oh, look, a burst. Oh, I love these books. Oh, these are the best.
Can you read Thomas the Train?
Oh, and the Christmas mice.
Oh,
Awesome. I'm gonna send a copy of this video to Grandpa. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Say that.
Thank you. I love you.
Vance, can you look at the camera? Can you say thank you?
Well, we'll see how many pages there